Hi there, my name is Martin Engels from the company Visual Productions. We are a Dutch-based manufacturer of lighting control. Most of our lighting controllers are for the DMX protocol, but with our new product, the DaliCore, we enter the Dali world as well. The DaliCore is a DIN rail mounted lighting controller for Dali Fixtures. We have a Dali port for the Dali network. You can control up to 64 fixtures with that. Additionally, we also have a DMX port for the DMX fixtures. This allows us to make combinations. So for projects that control both Dali and DMX, one controller will suit. The added advantage of that is that with the Dali and the DMX connection, we also can make conversions. So you can go from DMX to Dali or the other way around. But foremost, the DaliCore is a standalone controller. You can use it to create the scenes, program the scenes, and let the DaliCore run the lighting in your installation. The DaliCore can also do the commissioning phase of a Dali project. So the discovery, the addressing, the grouping of the fixtures, you can do with the DaliCore, so no additional tool is needed. If you'd like to find out more about the DaliCore, please visit our website. It's www.visualproductions.nl.